In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and manage your Save for Later items on Amazon. This handy feature can help you keep track of items you're interested in without crowding your cart with things you may not be ready to buy just yet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to navigate this tool effectively. So, let's get started. First, let's access your Saved for Later items. Begin by navigating to your Amazon cart. You can do this by clicking the cart icon usually located at the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. Once you're in your cart, scroll down past your current cart contents. There, you'll find the Saved for Later section. If, for some reason, you don't see this section, ensure that you are signed into your Amazon account, as this feature is account-specific. Now, let's say you decide to make some of those saved items active in your cart again. Look through the Saved for Later section until you spot the item you want to move back to your cart. You'll see a button next to each item, typically labeled Move to Cart or something similar. Simply click this button for your chosen item and it will reappear in your active shopping cart, ready for you to purchase when you're ready. Perhaps you've decided that you no longer wish to keep certain items or any at all in your Saved for Later list. The process is quite straightforward. You can delete any item from this section by selecting the Delete option next to it. Unfortunately, it appears that there isn't an option to clear all saved items at once. So if you have many items, you'll need to remove them individually. This may be a bit time-consuming, but it gives you the chance to reevaluate each item one last time. One of the fantastic benefits of the Saved for Later feature is keeping track of price changes or stock availability. Amazon automatically updates the details of Saved for Later items, reflecting the latest price and stock information every time you open your cart. This can be particularly useful if you're waiting for a sale or worried about an item going out of stock. Make it a habit to check this section regularly to make the most of any price drops, or to ensure that the items you're interested in are still available. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your Save for Later items on Amazon, making your shopping experience more organized and efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and happy shopping.